Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Forms to Excel. If you need to analyze your Google Form responses in Microsoft Excel, you can easily export the data from Google Sheets to Excel. This is helpful for data analysis, reporting, or further processing. Now in this video tutorial, I'll show you and I'll guide you through the process step by step. So let's start by following these few steps. The first step is to open Google Forms responses. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. After you log in, open your form. For example, I'm going to open a random one. Select this one right here. After that, click on the responses section. From here, after you click, the second step is to link Google Form to Google Sheets. And to do that, just click on the green sheet icon to create a linked spreadsheet. Now this will click on create. This will store all form responses in Google Sheets. Third step is to download as an Excel file. And to do that, just open the Google Sheets link to your form. After that, click on file and then click on download and select Microsoft Excel. And as you can see, the file will be saved to your computer in Excel format. Just click on save. Transferring Google Form responses to Excel allows for advanced analysis and visualization. This method ensures you can work with your form data in Excel without losing formatting or structure. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.